Welcome to this room tour of Norwegian Jewel room 5599 inside Stateroom. So straight away then, there is no card holder. You've just got the light switch. The lighting is not too brilliant in here. So you've got some shelves here. And then double closet. Some drawers down here. And also the safe. Then you've got the fridge and mini bar there. Decent sized mirror, which also lights up. Hello. And then decent size bed, and you've also got handy USB sockets. This is a fold down if there are 4 people in a room, as this one does fit 4. You'll also find another single bed underneath the main bed, and footstool. Okay, it doesn't come apart, so there's no storage inside there. A few other shelves there, and the TV and the phone. So let's check out the electrical outlets. So there are a couple there. There's definitely one US there. Oh, there's some USBs here. And then over here you've got one European and a couple more there, and there's the temperature control, a couple of hooks. And let's check out the bathroom. Need to step back to fit this all in. Mirror. Oh, sliding door for the shower, that's nice. Smells very fresh in here as well. Okay. And that completes the room tour of inside Stateroom 5599.